What's going on, guys? Patrick here with Drone Nerds. Today we're at NAB checking out the DJI Ronin S once again. So the last time we saw the Ronin S was at CES. It was like one of the first prototype models that were out there. They've made some changes, they've improved it, they've made it even better. And this isn't even the finished model yet. So we're expecting this to come out hopefully next month. Fingers crossed, I'm excited for it. A couple of the changes so far that I noticed, they changed up the grip a little bit. They've improved the little joystick on the back, how precise and responsive this is. I've actually used it for a couple hours yesterday. I'll show you guys some of the footage from the Ronin S and you guys can check it out and see what you think. But like I said, it's still not totally finished yet. They're still making it better and better every day. And it really was my first time using it, so I wasn't able to really dial in everything. It was just pretty much grabbing it off the shelf and then walking around at NAB with it. Another thing that I'm really excited about, I don't even know if it's public yet, I don't even know if I'm allowed to talk about it, but there's gonna be an app for the Ronin S, which is gonna be really cool. It's gonna be for motion time-lapse and stuff like that, where you can actually program your motion time-lapse. So you can, put your points, and using the joystick, you can record a move, set it up in the app, time-lapse. So I'm really excited about that. I think it's gonna be a really cool piece. So small and easy to use. I'm impressed. I want one right now. I might just walk away with this. I'm leaving today. I'm gonna take it home with me. They won't know. I'll talk to you guys later. Check out the footage.